everyone! Did you know that you can create a stunning 3D version of Strawberry Shortcake with just a few simple steps? Let's dive in. In this video, you'll learn how to draw a fun and easy 3D version of Strawberry Shortcake, perfect for beginners and cartoon lovers. Whether you're new to drawing or just looking to add a new character to your collection, I'm here to guide you through it. Now, let's be real for a second. Many people find drawing characters in 3D intimidating, but I'm here to show you that it can be simple and enjoyable. You don't need to be a pro artist to create something amazing. The key is to break it down into easy steps that anyone can follow. So if you've ever felt stuck or overwhelmed by 3D drawing, you're in the right place. Trust me, by the end of this tutorial, you'll feel more confident in your drawing skills. Alright, let's get into the fun stuff. We'll start with basic shapes to outline Strawberry Shortcake's body. Imagine drawing a big round circle for her head and a larger oval for her body. These shapes are the foundation for our character. Once we have those down, we'll gradually add details like her adorable face, curly hair, and of course, her signature outfit with those cute strawberries. Take your time with this part, and don't worry about making it perfect. Just focus on getting the shapes right. Now, here comes the big moment. Once we have our outlines ready, we're going to add color and shading. This is where the magic happens and our 3D Strawberry Shortcake comes to life in a vibrant and appealing way. You'll want to choose bright colors for her outfit and a lovely pink for her skin. Use lighter shades for highlights and darker shades for shadows to give her that 3D effect. It's like dressing her up in the most adorable outfit ever. To wrap up, we've transformed simple shapes into a delightful 3D Strawberry Shortcake, demonstrating that anyone can draw with a bit of guidance. Remember, it's all about having fun and expressing your creativity. Don't forget to practice, and you'll see improvement in no time. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more drawing videos. Also, check out my other tutorials for more fun characters. I can't wait to see what you create, so share your drawings with me. Happy drawing, everyone!